Hey guys, and welcome back to another Clean With Me video. Today we will be cleaning up in the kitchen, folding some laundry, as well as tidying up in the living room. So let's go ahead and get started. I am going to get started in the kitchen. As you can see here, I was in the middle of preparing dinner. So while the rest of the food is cooking, I am going to be putting away all of the dishes that I have in the sink. And here you can see I am on my phone because Jose was getting our groceries. He was picking them up after work. So he was just letting me know that he was on his way. So once he gets home, we will be putting away the groceries and then having our dinner.
And I've been on my knees thinking time is gonna fix me inside. Oh, no, nothing's gonna make me forget. And I don't think I want to forget anyway.
Lately, I have loved to just go ahead and do my grocery shopping online because I've never been a huge fan of going into the store to grocery shop. But now that I have 2 kids and it's in the middle of the holiday season, the stroller plus the cart, that is just a lot for me. So I'd rather not even go out, just go ahead and have it picked up. So now we're just going to be taking everything out of the bags, putting all of those plastic bags off to the side because we do reuse them for our trash cans, and then when we have a surplus, we also just collect them and take them to Target for recycling. So I'm going to be putting all the groceries away so that the island is cleared off so that we can eat our dinner, and then once we're finished with that, we can go ahead and finish cleaning the rest of the kitchen.
You can make it shine when the whole world rains. Always on my mind, always in my brain. With you the days are long and the nights are late, and I've been craving you since the first time that I sat by your side.
Here's the chaotic mess left over from dinner. So we are going to go ahead and get started by taking all of the dishes off of the countertops, clearing everything off, bringing the dirty dishes over to the sink, and putting away all the leftover food in containers to store them in the fridge for later use throughout the week before we move on to washing the dishes.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Baby. Baby.
Now that all the dirty dinner dishes have been washed, I am going to move on into the fridge, going through all the food, make sure that anything that has expired is thrown out, as well as throwing away any leftovers from the previous week that we did not consume. So that's what I'm doing here, and then I'm also going to go ahead and take some of the chicken that's in the freezer and move it into the fridge so that it can thaw overnight and I can use it to make our dinner the next day.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities.
Back to washing dishes it is. Now I'm washing all of the dishes that had that leftover food that was in the fridge that I had to throw out.
Now, with the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave.
dishes are seriously like laundry. They are never ending. And is anyone else like me? Like, you think you're done with the dishes and then suddenly something pops out of nowhere. Somebody comes up to the sink with a dirty dish that needs to be washed, and it's just the never-ending story of dishwashing. And as usual, here I am cleaning out my sink because it is just so satisfying to have a clean and shiny sink at the end of all those dishes. Now moving on to wiping down the counters, I am going to be using my favorite method, granite cleaner. If you guys have not entered yet, I do have a giveaway going on, so I will leave the link to that video down in the description box for you. If you guys would like to enter, I am giving away a $25 Amazon gift card as well as over $50 worth of my favorite cleaning products, which include Mrs. Meyer's and Method products. So if you'd like to go ahead and enter for that giveaway, make sure you check the video out. I'll leave the link in the description box.
I don't wanna waste my time, so baby we should start living now.
Now I am moving on to cleaning my stovetop using the Barkeeper's Friend, and then I will be moving on to cleaning the fridge and finishing off the kitchen by vacuuming as well as mopping.
I need something from you, and I need something new. Oh, I got things to prove to you, and I know what to do. Oh, you're moving with the lights, they follow in the night. You're always doing right. I see you watching too, and I know how to move. You may not know me, but I know your love. It's around me, under and above. You may not know me, but I want you close, all around me, under and above. There's something I gotta say before we fade away. Oh, I'm not here to stay, my love, but that's another day. You may not know me, but I know your love.
Now that the kitchen is clean and tidy, I am going to start a load of laundry as well as take out the clothes that were in the dryer to go ahead and fold them and put them away.
I want you close, all around me, under and above. surround me, under and above. You may not know me, but I want you close, all around me, under and above. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Vicious presenting.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa.
Let's go.
Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body, you're so close. No, I can't forget, no.
Forget what?
When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, 'cause you're the end of the rainbow.
Now moving on into the living room, I am simply going to tidy up a bit, as well as vacuum the rug and the floors.
All I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. That's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. It's too important, should be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Lose control of myself. Can't find you anywhere. Been trying for too long.
And that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and found tons of cleaning motivation. If you did, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And also do not forget to check out the video I mentioned. And as always, thank you all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.